Friend, you can see the tattoo. It is permanent tattoo. You can see the tattoo. Now we draw it with a pen. Okay, friend. It is a pen tattoo. First of all, you have to need a CVT tattoo paper. CVT tattoo paper you can collect here from your nearest paper shop. Okay, friend. It is a pen tattoo. Now we see that how is it work. Now we see that how it work. Okay, so you have to need, first of all you have to need a Vaseline. Okay, friend, first of all you have to need Vaseline. Okay, friend, and if you want to put here, you have to need to draw here. First of all you have to need a carbon, just carbon style. You have to need just carbon style. Okay, just see the full video. It is no background music. The video has no background music. It is real video. It's totally real video. You have to need carbon style. First of all you have to need carbon style. Okay, friend, just you have to need to put here, and you have to need the candle. Crush it more and more. Just crush 2 minutes or 4 minutes. 2 or 4 minutes. Crush it more and more. Just crush 2 or 4 minutes. Just crush it 2 or 4 minutes. Okay, friends. You have to need crush here more and more. Okay, friends, just crush and crush more and more. Just 2 or 4 minutes crush it. Okay. Now you see what is the condition of the tattoo. It is without background music video. Just see, I will prove that it is really 100% working. Let's see. Oh my god. Wow, that's amazing. Oh my god, see, friend, it is amazing, totally great. It is so beautiful. Okay, friend, now you have to need to draw here. Okay, friend, just color here. It's really amazing. You can try now. You can try at home. Don't late. Just try at home. But you have to need a CVT tattoo paper. It's a CVT tattoo paper. You can buy it from your nearest paper shop. Okay. Otherwise, it doesn't work. You must need a CVT tattoo paper. Okay. Now we use face powder for permanent. Just see, it's so amazing. See, it is really great. Wow, that's so cool. And you can use Vaseline. It's really fantastic, just like amazing. Great. Oh my god. Now we see that it is waterproof or not. Okay, friend. Now we have to need to prove that it is waterproof or not. Okay. Just you can see the tattoo, and it is water. Wow, great. You can see it is waterproof. Wow. That's really great. See, it is totally waterproof. Okay, friend, please share and like. It's totally waterproof. Yes, it is waterproof. It is 100% waterproof tattoo. It's a great tattoo. So please, friends, subscribe my channel and click the bell button. It is really waterproof without any background music live video. Thank you so much.